Summer is here, and your skin deserves extra love. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple, effective summer skincare routine naturally. And discover powerful supplements that help protect and nourish your skin from the inside out. Hey, naturals! Summertime brings sunshine, warmth, and fun in the sun. But did you know that the season can also take a toll on your skin? Sun exposure, sweat, and dehydration can irritate or damage your skin. That's why having a skincare routine specifically tailored for summer is essential. But what if I told you there was a better way? A natural approach that not only addresses your skin concerns, but also nourishes your body from the inside out. That's right. Your skin's natural radiance starts from within. What you put into your body plays a huge role in how it looks and feels. And it's time to reveal the secret: your skin will never look healthier than when you feel healthy. Imagine a skincare routine so effortless, so natural, it's like your skin just glows from within. No more confusion, no more harsh chemicals, just pure, radiant skin. Let's unveil your glowing summer skin naturally. Why choose natural skincare? You might be wondering what makes natural skincare different. Well, it's simple. It's gentle, yet highly effective. Free from harsh chemicals, it treats your skin with the care it deserves. And the best part, it's perfect for the warmer months. Say goodbye to sticky, greasy-feeling moisturizers that weigh down your skin. Natural products melt into your skin, leaving a refreshing, lightweight finish. Speaking of inside, let me share a little secret. While natural skincare is amazing, true radiant skin begins from the inside out. Enter our secret weapon, supplements. They're like vitamins for your skin, boosting its health and beauty from the core. But wait, there's more. We've got 5 incredible supplements that work wonders on your skin. So get ready to glow like never before. Now let's dive into my top picks for natural skincare products. I've hand-selected these gems to bring out your skin's natural radiance. And the best part, they complement each other beautifully. 1. Morning natural skincare routine. Cleansing. Start your day with a gentle cleanser. Look for a natural face wash that cleanses without stripping your skin of its natural moisture barrier. Hydration. After cleansing, refresh your skin with a rosewater mist or aloe vera gel. This hydrates and preps your skin for better absorption of the moisturizer. Moisturizing. Choose a lightweight moisturizer with SPF. Opt for a natural SPF like zinc oxide-based one to protect against harmful UV rays. You can also add an antioxidant serum like vitamin C or green tea extract to fight free radicals and brighten the complexion. Now let's talk about those amazing supplements. They're like personalized skin treatments in a bottle. And here are 6 powerhouses that will make your skin shine. Vitamin C, this is like a superhero for your skin. Not only does it fight free radicals and reduce signs of aging, but it also brightens your complexion, fades dark spots, and boosts collagen production. Talk about a multitasker. Vitamin E, another fantastic choice. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage, improves skin texture, and keeps your skin hydrated and nourished. Zinc. If you struggle with acne or oily skin, zinc is your go-to guy. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin, control oiliness, and promote a clearer complexion. Omega-3s. These healthy fats are like a drink of water for your skin. They keep your skin hydrated from within, improve its overall texture, and reduce inflammation. Plus, they have anti-aging benefits. Time to glow. Collagen. Looking for firmer, more elastic skin? Collagen is the answer. It supports the skin's structural integrity, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles caused by sun exposure and pollution. Milk thistle or dandelion. These botanical extracts gently detoxify your skin, helping to clear up blemishes, reduce redness, and leave your complexion looking fresh and radiant. And now for the grand finale, my evening skincare routine. It's all about restoring and rejuvenating your skin after a long day. Cleanse thoroughly. Double cleanse if you've worn sunscreen or makeup to remove all traces of the day. Soothe. Apply aloe vera, a chamomile toner, or cucumber to calm and soothe your skin, especially after a day in the sun. Moisturize. Treat your skin to natural oils like jojoba, argan, or rosehip oil to deeply hydrate and nourish it. These oils are rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that support your skin's natural barrier function. And here's a bonus. Indulge in a hydrating overnight mask once or twice a week for an extra boost of moisture. Your skin will wake up looking plump and refreshed. Now let's explore some additional summer skin tips. These simple tricks will make your skin glow from the inside out. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is essential for healthy skin. Water flushes out toxins, keeps your skin complexion clear, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Eat skin-loving foods. Nourish your body with nature's best. Berries, watermelon, and cucumbers are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that will make your skin radiant. Protect yourself from the sun. Don't forget your trusty allies, a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses. They shield your face and eyes while adding a touch of style. Reapply sunscreen. If you're enjoying some time outdoors, reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Choose a natural sunscreen with zinc or titanium oxide for safe, broad-spectrum protection. Don't over-exfoliate. Once a week is enough to keep your skin smooth and glowing. Over-exfoliating can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. And there you have it, folks. My ultimate guide to achieving summer-ready skin naturally. Remember, it's all about finding the perfect balance between natural skincare, supplements, and inner nourishment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. And here's a friendly reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or supplement routine. Visit www.naturesvitalities.com for your premium supplements. Stay radiant and protected this summer. From my family to yours, I wish you a season filled with sunshine, laughter, and radiant skin. Watch our next video for more health tips.